Actions and prominent achievements on the advancement of women and family status in the Islamic Republic of Iran. Women and education. Increase of over 33.3% in female university faculty members. Women making up 34% of faculty members at medical universities. Women making up 50% of state university students in the country. Closing the gender gap in primary and secondary education in the country. Overcoming women and girls' illiteracy with a ratio of 99.3%. Increased enrollment of high school female pupils by 84%. Active presence of over 9,500 female authors and 840 female publishers. Increase enrollment of primary school female pupils by 115%. Increase ratio of female to male students by 48%.